This is 3 quick tips to instantly make your footage look way more cinematic. Give it that extra sauce, that deliciousness, tastiness. Let's do it. Okay, so tip number 1 is backlighting. 3, 2, 1. Instantly you can see backlighting is much more dramatic, much more intense. You often see it used in Hollywood films in those really gritty scenes. And you're back in the room. Backlighting is a great way to spice up shots, whether that backlight be a light or the sun. It's really good for building tension and drama in a scene. It shouldn't be used all the time if you're doing things which are more commercial, things that are a bit brighter or things that are a bit corporate. You don't want to be lighting things in the most dramatic, tenseful way that you can. But if you're shooting some sort of sport or you're shooting a short film, it's pretty good for that. Okay, tip number 2 is all about depth. So this is something really simple but makes a massive, massive difference to pro versus rookie filmmakers, and it's something I see a lot of rookie filmmakers struggle with. A perfect example is you're shooting an interview and you get somebody to sit with something like a wall behind them. Your number 1 priority when you're building any shot should be building depth into it. For interviews, you want to be adding layers to things that are in the scene, like this example here, and the same applies for B-roll. Have stuff in the foreground, have stuff in the middle ground, and have stuff in the distance. Okay, so the final one, you want to get yourself one of these or one of these. So what are these? This here is a smoke machine, and this here, this is haze in a can. They both do the same thing. This is relatively inexpensive, about 100 quid. This is about 20 quid a bottle. But what they do is they add atmosphere and smoke and haze into an environment. Why would you want to do that? Well, there's 2 reasons. 1, it adds to the depth that I mentioned in the last point. And 2, it also means when you're lighting a scene, it adds some rays of where the light are coming from. It makes your footage look super cinematic almost instantly. A perfect shot of all of these things being used in tandem is right here for you. Alright, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, I'd appreciate it massively if you'd hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a little comment in there, let me know if you found it of value. All these things do make a massive difference, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.